Hey, so like the video title says, from now on I'm no longer trading gold. And for those of you who don't know me, my name is Serging and I'm a day trader. And I've been trading for almost 4 years now. And my YouTube channel goes way back in January, I think. That is when I started a challenge that I gave myself. And I was on a mission to inspire myself and also others through taking realistic challenges. So by saying realistic, I mean using a little bit of money, and show people that it's possible to make something with it. And by that, I purchased a $40 account from Alpha Capital Group. It was a 10K account, and I managed to pass phase one in I think it was 10 weeks. Yeah, almost 3 months. And you might ask yourself, yo, why not just borrow it and get done with it? Why spend almost half a year? Because phase two is also going to take a little bit of months. And my answer to that question would be, when you don't have the money, you have to risk the time. I'm being realistic. I'm not like going to be risking 2%, 3%, and borrowing almost 10 accounts in a month. We are being realistic. So what I'm trying to do is, use a few dollars, apply the risk management, and take reasonable trades and be patient. It might take almost half a year, but that is how it's supposed to be realistically, not with the mentality of trying to flip it. And currently I'm on phase two and in a big drawdown. Jesus. But we keep going. And the reason why I'm switching back to EUR USD is EUR USD was one of my favorite pairs when I started trading. And as you can see, gold has been acting terrible, especially in the beginning of this month. So I was thinking, why just force trade? Because that is what I was doing. And I'm not in this business to form emotional bond with these pairs. We are all in this to make money. So why just hold on to a sinking ship when there's like an opportunity to hop onto the next one and survive? And that is what I did. And at some point I was $47 away from borrowing the account. I think maybe somewhere between 47 or 45. Still losing trades with gold. And that is when I sat back and realized maybe the strategy is not the issue. I might be doing something wrong, And what I did is I just went back and tested my strategy to EUR USD and recorded and gathered some information, took some trades here and there, and I saw that my strategy is doing well in EUR USD. And I was like, fuck it. Damn. And from now on, I'm going to be trading EUR USD. And I'm still in a big drawdown. And I don't know if I will make it back. Let's see how it goes. But from now on, no more gold. So thanks for watching, and if this video helped you anyhow, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit that like button, and see you in the next video. So I'll be updating you guys on account. So that's it. Peace.